Bad manners. Gracias. You're nice, see? What are you nice?
Tell nobody here?
No, I don't tell nobody come and I lie to
Not
them.
tell nobody. Not tell nobody. Not tell nobody.
They come and I want to lie to them. Say you're nice. You know what I mean? I know you're not nice. You're a bad girl. Rough me up sometimes. Rough I am sometimes. Why? Wagwan, what's going on, my people? No, Wednesday night, no it go. What is that chocolate? I want a chocolate. I can't see. I have to wait for my thing to see the comment. Yeah? What a go on in a Wednesday night? What a go on from what a go on from what a go on? Eh? What go on, BFF'S? What go on, my kings and my queens? Are no good? No come in with no good up self, no man. The nice, clean self in a Wednesday night, yeah? Come make with chat. I don't know what we do on Wednesday night. Chat. We relax.
Chat mode.
We relax and unwind and chat up with things them. Somebody said they're doing good. Alright, let me see your name. Me will big you up.
Nadia. Nadia says
yes,
good, man.
you're good. Everybody good out there? Happy Wednesday. Oh, you turn on them. Oh, we forgot to put your number in there. Come on, chat to you tonight, you know. Oh, you better call me. Me not in a shy business. You better call. You understand? Me not in a shy business tonight. I come to talk to the people them. Yes. Me come to talk to my people them. Yes. We just get situated here. And then we talk the things them. Yes.
Hey, Buck.
Me see what I said on here. Buck, Wagwan. Buck, Brian, Wagwan. Me see. Desmond. Wagwan, Desmond. Yeah. Cordelia. What's going on? Ever blessed Nikki. See you guys. Nelisha or Nelisa. How you say that? I don't know, me just damage your name. If me do it, sorry. Valerie, Dawn, Natasha, Beverly. Everybody good? Yeah. She make nice I get ice out of the fridge. I don't know. I can't live without my water for all who knew and I don't know me addicted to water. Yes. Me addicted to water. That's my addiction. Can tell you that. Yes. I would drink tons and tons and tons of water. You don't have to give me no juice. Just water. Me don't know. Everybody think me weird, but me addicted to water. So when I come visit, make sure I have a case of water for me. Yeah? That's all I need. That's all I need. Is a case of water. Me low maintenance. You see it? Low maintenance. And I bet no family think my high maintenance. No. low maintenance, water. You're not getting no lower than that.
The something that make it go up.
Oh, the lemon.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, because you full the damn
No,
thing.
yours was about mine.
Yeah. See, I feel
Wagwan, kings and queens.
water with the lemon.
Wagwan. Big up.
Some people that will come talk tonight and we have a whole bag of things I got talk. And I want to call Vanilla, I got pin the number. Okay, noted. Somebody say, okay, noted. And noted that I forgot to have water for me. Yes, sir.
You have to understand, say, that the case of water for she alone, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And a no for share with nobody.
Me alone.
Remember one time we go to Jamaica and she go get some water, 2 glasses of water, you know. Things say, oh, that's nice. She get one for me and her. No, for she. Let me drink it. Never know. I'm sorry.
Yep. Because I'm addicted to water. So listen, guys, we have a whole bagload of things. I want a businessman, a crowd. You know me already. We just come here and chat. You know what I mean? It no matter. We're family and we're going to get down in it. And I want honesty tonight. What the first thing I want to discuss tonight topic. That's why we're not put up no specific topic up there because we're kind of going to be like all over the place. Yeah? So see Vanilla, pin the number. Yeah? Pin the number. So I want to make sure we big up some people. Yeah, we try to big up as many people as we can when we come in. Because we love to show respect.
Yeah,
and to make you guys know so we appreciate you taking the time out to come sit down
They
and
said
look our way.
They said that's a great addiction for you for have to.
For water?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Everybody said that. Yeah, everybody said that. But some people think me weird for just I drink water. So water. And it's not fun when bedtime, you know, I have to get up so much time. But me can't help myself. Me just drink water. Which women don't really get up that often. Maybe like 1 or 2 times for the night. That's not bad. Come in.
With how much
water me drink.
True.
Right. Yeah, with how much water me drink. Me should I get up like every hour. But fortunately me not do that. Love you too. We love you so much too. Thank you guys for loving us. Yes. You know, we don't take it for granted. So thank you so much. Thank God that you saw something in us to love us for. Yes.
Natasha.
Yes. Hopefully nobody had called, so everybody must have gotten them credit from Sunday, which we do it the same night. And yes, guys, people try to prank we and tell us that them win. So we can send them credits.
We know,
but we know.
They
So
can't trick we.
don't try to trick we because we know. Yeah, we know. Cause remember, you know, we have the live can go back and watch and hear who win. You know what I'm saying? Plus we write it down even though we ask to text us. And nothing wrong if you want some credit. Just be honest and say, you know, please, if you can, you know, send me some credits because we do that. People will ask us and we send it, but don't try to tell us say you win
And you know
and you not win. We're not going to send it that way because we know that you're being dishonest. You understand? We don't mind giving out a little bit of credits after the game. We do that from time to time. Sometimes we're going at the tablet and just randomly select people and send them credits after the game. We don't mind doing that, but we don't want nobody think say them can fool we, because we ain't no fool over here. Yeah, we're nice, but we're not fool. You understand? Yes, guys, so...
Very generous. But
yes, but there's a limit too. And we're cautious about who we're generous to because we've gotten scammed so many times that we're very, very cautious. Yeah, we're very, very cautious. Because, you know, what that? Oh, yeah, we're very cautious. Yes, guys, so we have a bunch of, let me say we have a bunch of topics. And one of them is, let me see, just
wait until you get younger, you'll be visiting a lot.
Wait till me get younger, so me age backwards. Me know what you mean. Me know what you mean. Me know what you mean. But them say water good for your skin. So me don't know. Yeah, me don't know. But me not do it for my skin. Me just naturally addicted to water. Yeah, for years now. Yeah, and not like me, I do it for no reason. Me just love water. Love water. So, guys, one of the topic is about, you know, old mature folks. Me not want to use the word older people because some people get offended when you call them older. So we want to use the word mature. You know what I mean? People like, you know, from 40 on upwards. Sometimes I think people in that age group don't remember what them used to do when them older, when them younger. They're so
oh, Master Bagga doing.
Yeah, them so self-righteous. Everything younger people do, them knock them, and it just get on my nerve with some folks our age group and up. They act as though they don't remember things them used to do when them younger. Yes, none of us want to see other people make the same mistakes that we make, but isn't mistake a part of maturing
and learning?
And everybody need to make them own mistakes in order to grow from it. But you have some older people, them just go on like said they were never young. You understand? So everything younger people do, them bash them and think they're and treat them like, oh my God, they're the worst.
And they judge them.
And
just off our actions that they do, like you never used to do some of those things too.
Yeah, even here on social media, you have folks that you can clearly watch them and see that they're not fully mature. They're doing things that, you know, somebody in them 20s, but I do because I'm nowhere near who I used to be in my 20s. Because you look on me wrong, me that tell you off. All the people them pan here will come at me, trust me, you know that cry shame on me if I was in my 20s and I deal with them people there. Me that got toe to toe with them. But you have some people that don't see that, don't acknowledge that and say, you know what, these are young people, them still not reach certain maturity levels.
They're still growing.
They're still growing. Them still are going to make mistake. Them still are going to, you know what I'm saying? Them just judge them right off the back. You're a awful person. You know what I mean? You're terrible. It's like nobody remember that they used to do certain things at certain age. You know what I'm saying?
Nobody's perfect.
It's like
nobody is perfect.
It's like a reformed smoker. And because them quit smoking, them look upon somebody else with smoke and just act like it's the worst thing in the world. And them never remember that they were in that situation at one point. You understand? So tonight, basically, the topic is, I said this topic and go into it to say this. Are there things in your life that you have done for the mature folks on here? I want to hear some of the things that you have done, you know, in your 20s, even 30s, that you'll not do that at this point in your life.
You want to do it again.
You want to do it again.
Right.
Yes. Like for me, remember like when we in our 20s and we used to go to the club and Vanilla and I, we would drink and stuff, we party and drink. I remember one time Vanilla fall asleep. And she fall asleep and our sleeping clothes, you're in a pyjama, but it wasn't like the pants pyjama. I don't know if you remember this, it was like the dress. What you call nightgown? Remember I put it out, the like nightgown. And she asleep and her nightgown right up in the bed. And for no reason, just being young and stupid, now that I look back on it, you know, our clothes, and it was me and my niece in the room. I went with the scissors and I cut both sides. Our nightie lift up, so you could see her underwear. She asleep with her, with underwear out. And I take her scissors and cut both sides of her underwear. That way when she get up and try to walk, it drop off of her. You know what I'm saying? Remember stupid stuff like that. Me want to hear some of the stupid things that you do when you're younger. Mistakes that you have made.
Think about, when we used to go to a club and we would drink and we would be afraid and we would drive.
Yeah, like
You're dumb, stupid. I wouldn't do anything like that now.
Yeah, because you know.
Because you know you're young, you not think, you're like, all right, me good, me can go on.
Yeah, you know better.
Yeah, me know better now.
Because enough time we used
no,
to let
back
the
in
club.
time then nobody couldn't chat away, you know. Nobody couldn't tell me nothing.
Yeah, we know it all.
We know it all.
We know it all. When it comes to money too, forget it.
Oh my God, yes.
Forget it. When it comes to money.
Yes.
When I was younger, trust me, money was like, it's like,
money,
the sooner we get it, the sooner we spend it, I better it is. You understand?
We couldn't keep money in our pocket.
Couldn't keep money. Yeah, we have to find something to buy with it. And then my mother always tell me you need to save.
Yeah.
And that just go through one ear out the other. Because we love club, we love partying. We don't feel like so if we wear the same outfit twice. We're not supposed to repeat it.
No, in shoes.
No.
We had to get the shoes to wear with the outfit because, you know, you need... Just so go.
Because we're young, those are the choices what we make. And she said, when you get older, you're going to regret that. Because if you had saved all that money there, you will have them to do better things with your money. But we think club was life. Even though we enjoy it, yes, we have fun and all of that. But what do you really have to show for it? You know what I'm saying?
Just the memory.
If we never did get serious, you understand, and we had no choice but to get serious about life.
Right.
You know, we were addicted to club.
We used to party 7 days a week.
7 days a week.
7 days a week. 365 days a year.
Yes, yes.
We would go to club, come home, take a shower, get dressed for work, gone to work.
Yes.
No sleep, you know? No sleep.
And not only that, we would not stick with a job. Like, if you tell us something for do, by lunchtime we're gone. Because we don't want to take no talking from nobody. You understand? Her and I so happen for work at the same place. And we feel like so they never hold the door for we. And lunch
purposely shut the door on our face and we say, all right.
That's what we tell ourselves.
We tell ourselves, yes. We say, all right, we're gone.
Yeah, look, lunchtime, we are quit.
Gone.
Because them never hold the door when we are going at the building.
We thought it was rude and
we think, yes, you couldn't tell me nothing. You hear me?
Nothing.
Nothing at all you couldn't tell me. Yeah. So those are some of the things them that we do, like, so easy immature stuff. We would just hop from job to job to job. And I think it's the fact that because we know so we're not a responsibility.
That was the biggest thing. We had no responsibilities back then.
Yeah, we're not a responsibility. So, me know my mother not throw me out. So, you know what I mean? Whatever, you look at me wrong way.
You cut your eye off the way. We quit.
We quit. It don't take nothing for we quit. You hear?
We make up things in our head.
Yeah, and just quit.
Just quit. We say we don't like this job anymore. whatever excuse we can find for quit, we find it for quit.
Yes. So I used to do that dance work. You used to do that dance work. Yeah, tell me about it. I want to hear about it. Call. I want to hear. There's nothing to be ashamed of there. Yeah, what?
The tablet. So you can call both numbers.
Yes, I want to hear about some things that you've done when you were younger that now you look back at and you're like, damn, that was dumb, or damn.
See, other people used to love a party enough too.
Oh God, we couldn't get enough party. Could not get enough party. It was like partying and got out of style. Yeah. 7.
Oh, Natasha. You can call direct, Natasha.
Yes, you can. You know, it was like partying a runway.
Oh.
Remember all one time, guys, this is so dumb too, with Vanilla and I remember one time a cable guy came to, that time we live in New York, a cable guy came to hook up the cable at my mother's house. And we'll never forget him. He's a Jamaican. And when he came, we were with friendly self. Oh, yes, you know, we talked to him and stuff like that. And he invited me to go with to a party at Connecticut because we're living in New York.
Oh. We get called.
We get called, you in a midlife story
Sorry.
though.
Sorry, may I tell us? Hold on. Hold on 1 second,
For
Queen. Hold on.
For the story.
All right. Sorry. I'm sorry. My bad.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm sorry. Hello, Queen.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
Hello, Chocolate and Vanilla.
Hello, how you doing?
Calling from Jamaica.
Big up yourself,
Big up,
Queen.
big up,
Big
big
up
up.
yourself. What you want, tell away.
Yeah, I usually do the dance and party.
Yes.
We dance at 3 o'clock, go home, go bed,
Mhm.
and go work.
Yeah.
I usually have 2 men in a one dance.
Oh, yes, that's
Yes,
what I'm
see, all
talking about. Yes.
all
People
them
do
sitting
things when they're young. You know what I'm saying?
When
Without,
we young, we do about
what heap of
yeah,
things?
me have 2 men.
Yeah, exactly. Because you're not even think about it's like you feel like you're invincible at certain age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after you get older, there's more responsibility.
Exactly.
Yep.
And sometimes too, it's the some of the experiences that force you to mature.
Yeah, true.
Wouldn't you say that? Yeah, some of the experiences that you have being young forces you to mature.
Yes, that's true.
Yes. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Is that all you wanted to say?
And buy one if of clothes and change your style and do nails and all
Mhm.
sorts of things.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
We used to do with nails all the time too. Hair too. Hair had to be on point.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You see, first time when me graduated from high school,
Yeah.
we feel like we are woman now, you know. From high school, we not woman.
Yes, because everybody can't wait to finish high school.
Mm, you
You
think
can't
it's
wait
grown.
to be grown, you know. Yes.
Yeah. My mother tell me to do something, I'm in the bed for 1 week, she try to tell me to do the same thing, but because I feel like me can't get beaten.
Ah!
In the bed and sleep and bam, some big to reach me. And for me, them a big woman on me still I get click.
Right. That happened to me too, man. Come home from party and my mother say, you know, me come home in the morning. And she said, listen, you can't push my door in the morning when there a light come in my house, you know. And me go in the closet and I run up my mouth, you know, and they know so she a listen to me, you know. Man, when me turn around, man, I last lick that me ever get from my mother, me think I was like what? In my
20.
in my 20s, yeah man. One reach me till it will me shock. Me I tell you, she give me one man shock me. Me I tell you, shock me. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That's right. You know, say the Caribbean mother them they're not ramp, they're not joke.
Anything then catch them blick you.
Anything. Anything. Thank you so much, Queen.
Thank you for calling in.
Yes, man.
All right.
All
love.
right.
All right, love. Yeah. but what was I saying before?
You were talking about the cable guy. Sorry.
Oh yes,
I'm
the
sorry.
cable guy came to the house to connect the cable and become a Jamaican, you know. We did a chat with him and then time they will love Gar Club, love party. So I'm invite we I want party a Kennedy cut. So me and Vanilla say, yeah man, we are hype, you know, say, yeah, we got the party, yes. And so we didn't know when I said, okay, we need to bring away curl. Yes, so we don't need to bring a curling iron. We don't need to bring this, we don't need to bring that. Because, you know, him sister and him mother, because it went talk, it seemed like I want him relative house, we're going to go a Kennedy cut, and then from there, we're going to go to the club. So we think so like him have sisters and, you know, auntie and stuff. So we said I must have a curling
We don't need
iron
all
up
them
there.
sitting there. We
Yeah,
need
we
to
don't
pack
need that.
ourselves up.
Guys, when the guy pick we up, And we reach a Connecticut.
Dumb.
Him care we got this house. How about a pure man in the house?
Bagload of man.
Bagload.
And we are the only two
Only
women.
two women
Only
in there.
two women.
Me and Vanilla go to bathroom and we have to try to come up with an escape plan. If this should have happened and if that should have happened, what we are going to do? Thank God. Nobody no mess with me. They were all so nice to us. Yes. Thank God. But that's stupid when you look back on it. Because suppose there were some different type of guys.
They could have
They could have killed. They could have raped.
They could have raped we.
Then could anything
coulda
could have
killed
happened to it. Anything could have happened
That's
to
the way
it.
we're body. Because nobody
Yes.
didn't know where we did.
And poor my mother wouldn't know nothing about it because she there work and
When you tell-
things away. You know, we gone our normal club and whatever. We take off and they all the way up in a Connecticut. You hear me?
All them time that you, like we say, you couldn't tell we nothing.
And you could, yo, with a,
Dumb.
when we're walking at the house, it's like a whole bunch of them live together in the house as roommates. So, a whole house of man. Yes.
At
Yes.
least 10.
We were terrified.
Bagload of man.
Terrified.
And we were the only two women.
Yes, we pick up ourselves
Dumb.
and go. So those are some of the dumb things you do when you're younger.
Yeah.
Because you don't think. And you think that you're invincible. You know, at them age there.
And you know, looking back, we thank God. We're like, oh my God, God protected us. He protected us. Because anything could happen.
Yeah, but not, and the other thing too, when you're young too, you're not taking a talk. You're not taking a talk. You feel like you have to go toe to toe. Somebody come at you, you have to stop defend yourself. You know what I'm saying? Not for we when we're younger, we mouth and I feel our own. You know, until we grow up and realize that certain things not worth it. You know,
Yeah.
you don't need to give your energy to certain things. But some people are still not there yet. But
They're
you have the
still learning.
older people, they just totally forget that they were that way. You understand? Same way with like people who are Christians, who got church and converted and become Christians. And they forget that they were actually sinners before being converted. So they just judge you in the worst way. What about when you were in that place? How you da feel when somebody treat you that way and look down upon you that way and be so judgmental towards you? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so somebody did a call. Yeah. Somebody did a call, but I missed the call. Sorry, you can call back before me change the topic. Yeah. You can walk, so. I don't know what that about. You can walk, so.
I don't know which one them did I call upon.
Oh, trending drama. Big up yourself, trending drama.
Big up trending
Big
drama.
up,
Oh,
the
here we
win.
go.
How you doing, my brother? Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Yeah, let me tell you, before I go to some party a lot,
Yes.
we used to do this, we used to do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember when I had my first child, and the first child was probably about 2 years or 3 years. Remember one night, we just put it everywhere to that, my girlfriend giant, run up in the house, run up in the anywhere there, you know. And that specific night, when me put on my clothes and ready to go, here the baby. Mommy, me know what we're going to tonight. Why you hug me up and make me go sleep? You take off my clothes instantly and drop it out bed.
Oh my
I was
God.
like this.
Wow.
So things are not happy to. If I used to do things when they're young or so forth.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. But it's those people that, yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's those people who act as though they were just born and mature instantly. They don't go through those phases.
Right. Alright. One idea I made eat about people who used to be and don't eat anymore and criticize other people. With eating pork, you have some people used to eat pork right too, then go for eat pork. And then stop eat pork. And now when you're eating
Yes, you're right. True.
You don't like it.
Me too. Me can't stand people like that. Yes, you forget where you're coming from. You forget. So it was a journey, and everybody has their own journey. Despite the fact that you might want to prevent somebody from making the same mistakes that you've made, but people are gonna make mistakes in life.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They have to learn somehow.
People are gonna make mistakes. People are gonna make bad decisions, make bad choices. That's where you're gonna learn. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna learn from those mistakes. You're gonna have those experiences to pass on. You're gonna have them as wisdom and knowledge to pass on to your kids in explaining those mistakes to try to prevent them from making them. But what I'm saying is, in general, you know, like with certain things now, you see young people that might wear like something skimpy, and some people used to dress like that, but all of a sudden, because, you know, they no longer dress that way, then all of a sudden there's somebody, the girl that dressed like a little or whatever, you know what I'm saying?
Call them out by a name.
Well, it's true. I know some people still. But they don't want to me on the set on the party and go work. We couldn't do that.
Yes, we used to party and go work. Yeah, man. Party and go work. Yes.
You want sleep? I mean, I move and you go like that and cry like a snail. One that me not do that again. I mean, I work 6 o'clock and me come from party 5 o'clock. So when me come and fresh me up to the
Right. Even some people, you know, used to skip school when they're younger. You know what I mean? And and looking back, you're like, you know,
that was dumb.
You know, that was my education.
Yeah.
But in that, when you're young, you not think like that.
You didn't gain anything by skipping.
And if them ears are so like for your picnic now, skip all one class are the worst, skip school are one of the worst thing in the world, your picnic do. And them the members say, them did do that. Back, you know, back when they were young or at that age. Not like you're gonna, not like you want to compliment them for doing something wrong. Nobody's saying that. But what I'm saying is, someone would just act like we never make no mistake, we never do nothing wrong. You know what I'm saying?
Even with the copy, remember saying, no, when we copy when we are going to school, I write them, oh, me never do that. Never copy yet.
Of course we copy. Of course we copy.
Mm-hmm.
Of course we copy. Yeah. But you know, to make somebody picnic, make one of them mature women that pass our ear, so your picnic skip school, knowing that she used to skip school back in her fair days, are the worst thing. She not gonna say, well, you know, all right, them young and things like that are gonna happen. Not that you want it to happen, but at least acknowledge that it's a part of immaturity, being immature.
And a part of growing.
And a part of growing up. Yeah.
Even pastor people when we don't look up with me, we don't look up to say pastor people through that grow up the best. So that's also what they do your phone and they yourself and say, pastor people don't really do that.
True. Because they're picnic same way. Exactly. Pastor picnic no make differently from nobody else picnic. Yeah. Picnic gonna do what picnic do. Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
The only thing you have to just teach them, try to be a leader and not
I give my boyfriend a test to do.
Yeah.
And have his people.
All right,
like
Queen.
it's mine.
Thank you for calling in.
Thank you so much, Queen. Thank you for calling and sharing. Me keep
All right,
class.
good night.
My stepmother
Good
always
night.
send me to school late every morning. Yes, those are things you do when you're young. Yes, who never used to roll up all banana trash because you see people them a bun weed and you're young and you want to replicate what them a do. You know how much time you roll up banana trash and torch trash in a brown paper and in a bush a smoky.
We
You
used
know
to
what
roll
I'm
up
saying?
paper and act like it was a cigarette.
Yes, you do things like that when you're a kid. It's
Yeah.
just that nowadays kids tend to do other things, but this is a time and the day and age
Yeah.
that we're living in now.
Yeah.
It's mostly technology for these kids now, so we can't really compare
Right.
what we used to do versus what they do because we live in a different time.
Mhm.
You understand what I'm saying? So they might depend social media and act out. And we used to act out at school and trace other kids for our age.
Yeah.
I want to fight when we depend when we home from school. Who are go you know what I mean? Who are go defend it? Now, instead of them, you know what I'm saying? Them have other outlets now to defend it other than being face to face. But this man lick out stone out her hand and touch. Remember all of that?
But them to do all them sitting there now. They take it even further now.
They take it they take it further now. But I'm
But
saying we
it's
live in a
still-
different time.
Yeah, and still they have to learn.
Yes. Yeah. So remember all of the paper me roll up.
That we did do too.
Me roll up pumpkin leaf chocho.
I do me roll up
and
paper too.
Yes.
I roll up
yes.
paper.
You do things when you're younger.
Mhm.
Everybody go through them childhood and even them teenage years and them do things and you mess up. But a lot of people, based on all them talk, you would think like they were just so perfect. You know what I mean? They look at the younger generation now and every single thing they judge them on like, you know, they were never young. They were never immature. They never under things immaturely.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yes. That's where I'm going with it. So, we used to put the what?
Used to smoke your
ganja in the
grandmother's-
white rum and hide it and drink it. Yes. Yes. That's right. We all do things when we're younger. So, me don't know nobody when them are younger. Oh, somebody said, chocolate country a born. Yes, I'm a country girl. Yes, a country my born. Yeah, country my no, a Spanish town my born, you know. But a
So
country me grow.
our question for you, Audrey, is you say you catch your son to do the same thing. What you do to him?
Right.
What you do to your son, catching him doing the same thing you did?
Yes.
That's the
what you
question.
do to your
What
that's
you
a
do
good
to-
question.
what you do to your
your
son?
kids if you caught them doing the same thing that you have done at their age? How would you handle it? How would you handle it? How you handle it? How would you handle it, Vanilla? If you caught your child doing some of the things then that you have done at your age?
You know, I can think of one particular thing. I remember Tyrese had skipped school. My oldest had skipped school. And of course I got mad. But then I had to remember I had to talk with him, but I had to remember I did that too. So I did have a conversation with him. I did tell him don't ever do it again. And I did punish him, but I also remembered I did the same thing. But I did punish him.
But like how you punish him, did you feel like a hypocrite knowing that you did it too?
I didn't feel like a hypocrite because I know how important education was, and I realized at my age that it was dumb when I did it.
Okay, good answer, Vanilla. You go, Mama Vanilla. You go. Somebody tried
Somebody
to
a request.
Somebody a request. Let's see if I can get them in.
And
All right, we'll try add somebody we want to come on. We're adding. We'll see if it works. Yeah. I think they gotta accept
Yeah.
it. Yes. Yeah. So guys, the other topic is
oh, she said she never beat him for it.
oh, she never beat him.
She
please.
talked to
Okay,
him.
she talked to him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. That's good. You know, I mean I feel like say everything you have to get up and beat a child about. You can talk to them. Yes. Especially when I things you know you have done as a child. Yes. Yeah. And everything require a belt. Yeah, yeah, our punishment. Talking sometime and help them to understand and show them where you went wrong by doing that. You know, because kids listen. Sometimes we think they don't listen, but they do
They do.
listen. Yeah, they
They
do
hear.
listen. Yeah, you have someone to listen, and yeah.
They might not acknowledge that
And
they
but
that
sometimes,
they're
yeah,
listening,
but
but they
they
hear.
listen,
Mhm.
especially when you have that communication, that open line of communication
Mhm.
with your kids. Yes, they listen.
Yeah.
Guys, but another question may have changed, moving from this topic, and I want you guys to tell me if it's admiration or it's jealousy.
Mm.
All right, and somebody bring this. We have a conversation about this. Somebody come to your house and them never, when them walk in, them never say, you know, me like your table or me like your curtains. Them never said that to you. But when you go visit them, you realize they change everything in a film house to look like your house. Do you think that is admiration or bad mind?
Envious and
Or
bad mind.
envious and bad mind. Same thing, like with a dress. You might wear a dress. The person never said them like your dress. But then you come to find out the person go and buy an identical dress like yours. Do you think it's admiration or you think it's bad mind?
To me, I think it's envious and bad mind because if them didn't like it, at any point them could have said, you know, I like your table, but I might forget something like that. Where'd you get it?
But suppose them forget for say that.
Over and over and over, more than one time you see them do it? Or more than one time, more than one thing them have in your house?
No, yes, more than one thing.
Right.
Yeah.
More than one thing. So,
But suppose them
so
they
many
just
times? No. Mm-mm.
suppose them just they have the guts to tell you. Me
No.
want to hear from you guys. Do you
No.
think it's admiration or envy?
See, people
Yeah.
say envy.
Why?
Jealousy,
Me want to
envy,
know why
bad
you
mind
think
to
it's
the
envy.
highest level. Copycat. Yes, man. Jealousy.
Yeah.
Jealousy and
Yes,
envy.
suppose the person just never did just
If
probably
you,
just they want
no.
them admire it. And say, you know what, one time I got, they're not really good at
No.
decorating.
No.
So them come and them get an idea, them
No.
see a table, and they say, you know, that's a nice table.
I'm going to get
You
the
know,
exact table? No.
Maybe get
No.
a table like that in
No.
them head. You know what I mean?
No.
That's a nice fridge. Maybe get a fridge
No.
like that in their head.
No. 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 No.
But them not sell it I store for just you.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If they hadn't ever said, you know, I like that. Even just say, I like it. That's all they would have to say, you know, I like that table. That's it.
So
At
that's
least
because them say them
they
like
never
it,
acknowledged. They
eliminate the
never
fact that-
acknowledged the fact that they told you that they like what you have. That means that they're jealous, envious of the things that you have, bad mind because they want it too.
No, but
So they have to
you're
go
wearing
and
a
run,
nice
go
dress.
get it.
That's why you're wearing a nice dress, a person and you like not really that like friends. And the person said the dress and they're like, you know, that's a nice dress. And then so happen for have an event and go to a store and see the same dress and buy it. You think so that would be bad mind?
Just so happened to run into the store.
But
Or
I know only
them
one
go searching.
But I know only one dress sell. I'm sure they have multiple.
And get the exact same color?
Yes.
Bad mind and envy. Bad mind and envy. Bad mind and envy. They could have get a different color. Even if they like the dress, they could have got it in a different color. Because I'm sure that's not the only color that they sell.
So it's bad mind.
It's bad mind and envy.
Okay. All right.
Grudgeful.
Okay.
They need to go sit on one side, yeah.
My own
Or
style.
say
Some
something.
people like to follow and copy. That's true. That they don't really know them not have an identity.
But they
Yeah.
could have said, I like that. They at least acknowledge the fact to the person that you like them style.
So if they
Something,
come in
acknowledge something. For you not to say nothing at all, that's the way it looks. It looks like them jealous, envious, and bad mind you for the stuff that you have till they'll copy it and go buy it themselves.
okay, so that's bad mind. Yeah, I agree with you, Vanilla. I agree with you. I agree with you. That was my, yeah, I agree
Me
with
see
you.
something that you have, and they say, chocolate. Me like them shoe that me don't like to buy one. Where you get it from?
That's true. At least acknowledge them and say them nice and
Don't me do that to you.
yes,
All
yes,
right.
you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So who have the opposite of what Vanilla? Who believe opposite of what Vanilla saying? Saying it's anybody believe that it's admiration, that somebody just admire you and just say, okay, she have nice
That's like a
taste.
red eye.
That she have no nice taste in her furniture. So, me wouldn't mind my place look like her. Anybody think that way? That that not possible, people. Help me out. That not possible.
No, people say Donna said if they admired it, they would say something and say that they would like to get something like that. Exactly.
So it's just the fact that they have not said anything to you.
And then
Make
go
it bad
behind
now.
your back and go buy it.
Yeah.
More than one thing.
Bad man.
Bad mind.
Okay.
If it was a true friend, she could have complimented you and told you that she liked it and liked the shoes.
Me talk most about the
Sure,
furniture.
furniture,
So
yeah.
somebody can really bad mind you for furniture though. That's what me trying to comprehend. Like if somebody come and see your table and like the table and go buy, you don't really think so that a bad mind. You wouldn't think so.
No.
It's just admiration.
No.
Somebody really have a bad mind. Somebody for furniture.
Yeah.
Because that's the question the person poses.
Yeah.
And me can't sit through furniture.
People say, Sullivan said, Chocolate, stop making excuses for the bad mind people.
No, me just want really furniture. Though.
Furniture. It's going behind their back and buying it. Exactly, Patricia.
Okay.
If they had a complimented, made a statement, anything regarding it, saying, "Oh, that looks nice. Oh, I like that."
Okay.
Me to like something like that. Where you get it from? It would assure say they're interested. But for go behind your back and say nothing, go behind your back and just run, go buy it.
Replicate the whole thing.
Yeah.
I see where you're coming from. But
Bad
furniture,
it don't matter. It don't matter.
I guess not. Yeah. I guess not. I was looking at it like furniture. What bad minded are coming of furniture though?
You have people that don't have no.
Maybe the person just not have no style.
Maybe they don't have no style. Then could have come to you if they admire what you have so much. Them could have come to you and say, I'm having a hard time purchasing stuff for my house. Can you help me?
If I even the first time them visit your house, what if somebody will visit your house
Multiple
the first
times?
time?
For them to go by multiple
No,
times?
me talk about them visit your house one time, and obviously they better pay attention to everything in there.
Obviously,
and then
they
they
take
leave.
mental pictures.
Yeah, mental picture, and then go and then buy the same furniture. You know, things that could have been admiration.
No.
No.
Then could have said something to you first.
Okay.
Okay. They were taking. Who knows when you are looking, maybe they were taking pictures.
Hi, Marshally. How you doing? Hi, Marshally. People bad mind over your kids. People bad mind over kids. People bad a piece of lemon seed. Excuse me, guys. People bad mind over kids. Yes, Vanilla, I agree with you. They could come and ask.
Exactly.
That's Patricia. Yeah.
Yes.
But think about it. You walk up in somebody's house the first time, you don't really ask though.
How would you feel if you went into somebody's house and then decorate the whole entire living room and kitchen to look exactly like yours? Color, furniture, counter.
Yeah, that did a kind. Yeah, that did a kind of creep. Yeah, that did a creep me.
All right.
Yeah, that would definitely creep me.
All right.
Yeah. That did a, yeah.
You
that
wouldn't say that person bad mind and envious.
Maybe that is that I have some kind of obsession and that like it's creepy. Yeah, that's creepy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's creepy. But I see where you're coming from. Yes. Yes. Say what Khaled say? Yes, say I like yours. That's true. Yes, I get where the vanilla come from. They could at least make a comment about it and say, I admire that. Where you get that from? May think about getting something like that. That's true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, now that picture it and you said the whole place look like for me, yeah, that is definitely freak, yeah, freak me out. So yeah, but you know, things say you cannot wear a dress and somebody see it and like it and buy the same dress. You know, things say that a bad mind too.
So then compliment you on your dress?
No, but don't we? You never watch. You never see somebody in a dress out there that look nice. Somebody where you don't know.
I'm talking about
Oh
somebody
yeah,
I know.
yeah. It's different with somebody where you don't know. Yeah, that's true. So so with somebody where you don't know that on a bad mind.
You admire that dress. You could say maybe you don't. You could say to that person, "I like your dress."
But it's suppose somebody not in within
Maybe that
speaking
person's a distance away. I wouldn't say it's bad mind. It in that case because you don't know the person's a stranger to you.
That's admiration.
It's admiration.
Okay, but as long as you know it's somebody, you're supposed to compliment them, panic first. At least mention it before you go.
Mention something about it before you go buy it.
Okay, I can see that. Yeah, I can see that too. All right. Who
How would
agree
you
with
feel
vanilla?
how would you feel if you came over my house and me decorate my whole entire house? It's not like your living room. Now say no.
What after you got back with the furniture?
Me just to ask you,
Well,
how would you feel if I never mentioned nothing to you? You come over my house and my living room look like here.
you know me actually wouldn't feel that way. As God live it, me wouldn't feel that way. If they come over your house right now and you decorate it exactly like mine, me that think
all right, what if you with somebody different from me?
Yeah, then me that's something that wrong with that. But me because I you me know say I mean know you said say you're not bad mind, me so me wouldn't think so. Me that be like vanilla we have twin house cause you know some steam. Me that be like, oh we have twin house.
We're twinning.
Yeah, we're twinning, yeah. But if somebody
else besides me.
yeah, but please not do that. Cause that creep me out.
I'm gonna do that. Before we do that, if you want some help with doing something, I say, come help me put back some furniture. Well, I mean, that's saying, and you do that too.
Please not do that. Please not do that, vanilla. Yeah, everybody join with your vanilla. Everybody agree with you. I, Diane William, what she says, Susan Pilgrim. Oh, she big up somebody. Okay. Chocolate, my auntie, see stranger and go over to them and say, what a beautiful dress. And the lady said, thank you. I got it from Macy's. Yes, I do that all the time too. I compliment people. I don't go and buy their stuff. I can see something nice and it's nice and it's beautiful. Doesn't mean I'm gonna want it. Yeah. It's beautiful on them because sometimes you see somebody in something and it's beautiful for them. You run and go get you and it don't fit you the same way because you don't have the same, first of all, you don't even have the same body type. And even if you do, and everything is the people with you for want it. You know, something can be beautiful for someone without you wanting it. Yeah. Yeah.
It looks beautiful
it's
on them.
Beautiful on them, right? Yeah, and you can see somebody in something too that's beautiful and you want it, but at least acknowledge that it's beautiful and let them know, compliment them on it. I agree with that, yes. But me like to have my own identity, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate, if it's different, if you're wearing a dress and someone saying it's nice, that's different. Yes, that's true. I agree with you, Patricia. I agree. But I always like to try to see the good in every situation. That's just me. I mean, I like to just go in and say, that, but just like for hear and when I visualize somebody having everything me have, yeah, and that really freak me out. Somebody can see where that would come in as bad mind. Yeah, me try to looking at everything to try to find the good, but I couldn't find no good in that. That would definitely be a bad mind move. Yeah, yeah, yes, for real, for real.
It'll be creepy.
Cut your nice talk to chocolate out of your nice queen mouth. Diane Williams. Yes, darling. Thank you. Yes, guys. So everybody agree. So that would be bad mind, right? Yeah, that would definitely be bad. That would definitely be a bad mind move. Yes, guys, but just to bring up back what we're going to be doing the first week in June, I'm going to be talking about it from now till the time close, because I don't want anybody to miss it and anybody miss a video and never get the information. We're going to be doing a pageant for the first time.
Yeah.
And it's gonna we're gonna be crowning someone as Miss BFF Queen 2022, because you know we're out here to motivate our ladies, build up self-confidence. If you're low in that department, we're here to inspire you and to help you build confidence.
To help you shine.
And to help you shine. And even
we want to put your confidence out there for others to see that you're a confident person.
So guys, I look down like a while. My husband left in billfold right here. You don't think I should have gone in there and take out like a 20?
My Marsha will tell you.
Mark in these the prayer. I will leave a 20 then. I'll put it down. But back to
you can watch the live and see. Hello. You could be on the live right now.
So, yes, guys. You're right, yourself. What do you think?
What about chocolate?
All right. So,
if you want it, we'll give it to you. You're going to have to take it.
It would be fun though if you don't think that you don't like back in the days. You know what I mean?
Have to take it. We already confessed about all this. Confession is good for the soul. Yeah?
I'm just having fun, guys. So, yeah, we're going to do a pageant, right? And the first prize winner is going to get $500 US. Second prize, 250. And third prize is $100 US. How it's gonna work? We're collecting from now till May, till the beginning of May, because we need time to go through all the videos that we're gonna get. We are collecting from now to the beginning of May, video clips of people who want to contest, who want to participate, who want to be a potential pageant for that contestant. Where's my thought tonight? Contestant for that pageant. Yes? 2 minutes video telling us why you think you would make a great BFF Queen 2022. Can you help me? Because my head is not.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
I don't know what's going on. I'm tired.
It'll be at the beginning of June. We'll be doing it around my birthday.
Mm-hmm.
You have to wear business attire, evening wear, swimsuit.
Those are the three.
And we will be interviewing, asking questions.
Yes, and we're going to have a panel of judges. So wait and stay tuned. Those judges are, I think, well, they know about Ladies Eve, but they don't know about 2 other judges. Yes. So, guys, it's going to be amazing. We wanted to make it an amazing event. We're going to pick out the 10 best. The audience is going to help us to break it down to 5. The audience is going to help us from the 5 to take it down to the top 3, and then the judges are going to help us decide on who the winner should be. Yeah. Remember,
you don't have it doesn't have anything to do with size. It's your confidence.
Confidence, personality,
your height, whether you're tall, short, big, small. None of that matters to us. It does not matter.
Oh, somebody said, remember you guys steal for no one money?
I saw that.
Yes. That's what I remember. That's why I pick up the wallet. I remember when I was telling you guys about that. Yes. So,
I want to know where your drink, though.
No, I'm not drinking anything. It's just that I'm really tired. I didn't go to bed till about like 2 o'clock this morning. And I got up really early
What does
too.
acne have to do with it? It don't matter if
It
you
don't
have acne.
matter.
None of that
It's
matters.
all about
It's all about
confidence.
how confident you
Confident you
are in
are.
your own skin.
Confident personality.
Yeah.
There will be a talent um a talent round, just like you would watch Miss America or Miss Universe. Whatever you think your talent is, could be singing, could be dancing,
Could be reading a poem.
reading a poem. It doesn't matter. Whatever you think your
Playing
talent
an
is,
instrument.
whatever it is. So that's how it's gonna work. We're gonna do split screen. So whomever want to participate, just know you're gonna be on camera. You're gonna be on our live. We're gonna do split screen for the modeling and for all of that. Split screen with us.
18 and older.
18 and older. Yes. Like I said, and you don't know what else we're gonna throw in for the top winner. We're looking into other things because we want to make this amazing for our first 2022 BFF Queen. We don't just call y'all queen for no reason. We believe that you are. There's a queen in you. All right? So don't you stay in the box and don't you say, oh, I'm too shy. Oh, I can't do this. Yes, you can.
You can do anything.
You have to be in it to win it. $500 cash.
Prize.
Cash. Yes.
250 seconds.
250
And
second and 100 for third. So you're not gonna walk away empty-handed. If should you be in the top three. Yes.
You'll come away with something.
Yes. We are here to empower our ladies. Yes, we are. And we're here to straighten each other's crowns. And I believe every woman should feel beautiful. Chocolate, you went to sleep at the same time I came in from work. Yes, I went to bed like after 2 this morning. And now, all of a sudden, you feel all right, and all of a sudden, the tiredness just come down from me.
I told you what happened to me.
Yeah, it just, said I can't get my thoughts straight. Can't get them out straight.
I was out on the road. I came home.
Mm-hmm.
I said, man, a piece of sleep catch me. And said,
yeah, because you fell
asleep. I have to lay down. I fell asleep.
And she rushed over here.
I looked at my phone. I'm like, oh my God, I have to go.
Yeah, and she rushed over here. Oh my God, I fell asleep. And we're supposed to go live tonight. Yes, but guys, even if you don't want to participate and you have a family member that you think or a friend, that would be a great contestant on our pageant that's coming up. Yeah, let them send us a video. Like I said, yes, guys. It's gonna be amazing. One of our judge is gonna be Lady V, and I'm not telling you who the other two are gonna be. Yes. All right, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet, at least. All right. It's gonna be nice. My daughter is 17. She said her daughter is 17. We would prefer to go from 18 and up. You understand? Yes. Sending love right back. Sending love right back to you. And sorry, guys, our energy is not as upbeat tonight because we are tired. But we did not want to disappoint and not come on tonight. Yes, you know our vibes here already, and I can't deny it. I'm super tired, but at least we came on and chat to you guys. And you guys have been so great participating with us on these two topics. Yes, we will.
We have some more that we didn't even get.
Yeah, we have a lot more to come and more exciting topics. We're just taking our time to dive into them. So guys, party night again Saturday night, and I'm gonna try to come out with Master Baker this weekend. Yes. Yes, I'm trying to come out with a new Master Baker this weekend, working on it. Yes, it was good to see you guys, and I'm so appreciative of you guys sticking
Yes.
around. I know Lady V's on, so if you're not tired as yet, make sure you go check out my girl, Lady V. Support her. She's an amazing lady. Yes, if Auntie Dana, they on, me no go run over the big up Auntie for me. Me no, yeah, never the plan if she, if Auntie.
We put a challenge out there to Gracie too.
Yes,
We
we put
did.
a challenge
We
out
put a
there.
challenge
We're
out
gonna
there
meet.
for Gracie.
Yeah, we put a couple of challenges out there.
Yeah.
We don't discriminate. Anybody we support on social media, we support them. You understand? We support them. We're not in a. We don't care what go on. Dessa. We support who we support, and we like who we like. We don't care about the noises until somebody personally does something to us.
Yeah.
Then then that's a different story. We're not into any drama, drama back and forth and any noise and all of that. We just want to keep it positive here, uplift my people, make you all laugh, and we hang out and have a good time and have good shows. That's what it's all about. Yes, support whoever you guys want to support, watch whoever you want to watch, you know? That's just us. I'll never say that to anybody that follows me. Don't watch this person or that person. Support everybody, whomever your mind tells you to. You understand? Yes.
No, wait, play it for everybody.
I better call her now. Oh, my better call me. Yes, me got my better call me. Me probably pull up if whomever is on, if a lady via auntie, I probably pull them up and they will start watching me.
That happened to me last night. I don't remember who I was watching, but they ended up watching me.
Somebody go watch me.
I went to Lala.
Yeah, whomever's on, whomever's on that we support, one of them gonna put me to sleep. Yeah. Yeah, one of them gonna put me to sleep. I might not hear a thing.
Even if it's not alive, we'll sit there and watch like a dead that I missed, and we'll drop asleep to the dead life.
Yes, guys. Big up on yourself and thank you guys again. You're here. Love you guys.
Love you guys.
And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Make sure you save the date for our pageant that's coming up.
First weekend in June.
We want to do this every year. We want to crown somebody. Yes. Big up on yourself. Sorry, my energy is so low, but me tell say sleep and kill me. And then we did have my grandbaby earlier. Yes. And she energized a bunny. Don't want to sleep.
Want to play.
Want to play. Yes. So she played me out. Yes. Have a good night, my darlings.
Have a good night, kings and queens. We
Love you
appreciate
guys.
you. We'll see you soon.
All right.
Love you guys. Bye-bye.